Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great. Just enjoying the day.
That's nice. Are you shopping for the whole week?
Yes, I think so. I need a lot of things.
Same here. My fridge is almost empty.
Oh, I know that feeling.
Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every Saturday morning.
Oh, me too. I like it when it's not too busy.
Yeah, it's easier to shop when the aisles are empty.
True. What's on your list today?
A little bit of everything. Fruits, milk, bread, and maybe some snacks.
Sounds like my list too. What fruits do you like?
I love bananas and oranges. How about you?
I like apples, grapes, and strawberries.
Oh, strawberries are the best, especially in summer.
Yes, I make smoothies with them.
That sounds delicious. Do you make them often?
Maybe twice a week when I have time.
Do you cook at home a lot?
Yes, almost every day. I like fresh food.
Same here. Eating out is nice, but cooking feels better.
Exactly. What's your favorite dish to make?
Probably pasta with vegetables.
Oh, I love pasta too, especially with cheese.
Do you eat salads often?
Yes, I make salads for lunch most days.
That's healthy. I should eat more salads.
Do you know where the milk section is?
Yes, it's at the back, near the yogurt.
Oh, thank you. I always forget.
No problem. I used to forget too.
Do you drink whole milk or low fat?
I drink low-fat milk. How about you?
Same here. It's lighter.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes. Every morning.
Me too. I can't start my day without it.
Same here. Do you buy coffee beans or instant coffee?
Instant coffee. It's quicker.
Yeah, that's true. Beans taste better but take more time.
Do you eat snacks?
Sometimes. But I try not to eat too many.
I love potato chips. Can't help it.
Which flavor do you like?
Sour cream and onion, and you?
I like classic salted chips.
Simple and tasty.
Are you almost done shopping?
Almost. Just need bread and eggs.
I also need bread. Do you like white or brown?
Brown bread. It's healthier.
Same here. I also like multi-grain bread.
Yes, it's really good with butter.
Do you bake bread at home?
No, I never tried.
It's fun, but it takes time.
Maybe I'll try one day.
You should. The smell is amazing.
I can imagine. Fresh bread smell is the best.
Do you like peanut butter?
Yes, I eat it with toast in the morning.
Me too. Sometimes with banana slices.
Oh, that's tasty. I'll try it.
Do you buy cereal?
Yes, I like oats.
I buy cornflakes for my kids.
Do they like it?
Yes, with a little honey.
That's a good idea.
Do you shop alone or with someone?
Usually alone. It's quicker.
I shop with my kids. It's fun but slow.
I can imagine. They probably want to buy everything.
Yes, especially candies.
Do you buy them?
Sometimes. As a treat.
That's fair.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes. Chocolate is my favorite.
I like vanilla with strawberries.
That's a good combo.
Do you buy frozen food?
Sometimes. When I'm busy.
Same here. Quick meals help on busy days.
Do you like pizza?
Yes. I make it at home sometimes.
That's nice. I usually order it.
Homemade is fun. You can add anything you want.
True. I like extra cheese.
I like mushrooms and olives.
Do you buy cleaning products here?
Yes, it's cheaper than other stores.
I need dish soap today.
I need laundry detergent.
Do you use liquid or powder?
Liquid. It works better for me.
Same here.
Well, I think I have everything now.
Same here. Time to check out.
It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too.
Have a great day.
You too. Bye.